Hi, I'm Mike with Windridge Woodcrafts. Thanks for dropping by. I've been interested in a bandsaw mill for a few years, but I'm not sure if I would use it enough to justify the cost. So an inexpensive chainsaw mill seems like a first step to see how it works out, and if I spend enough time using it to want to move up to a bandsaw mill. Back in September 2018, Izzy Swan shared his take on a chainsaw mill that cost about $50 to create from 2x4s and plywood. He's provided a couple updated videos since then, but the plans remain the same. Fast forward to 2025 and materials are about $200. Add about $20 for Izzy's plans, $550 for a decent chainsaw and a ripping chain, and you have a working chainsaw mill. Call it all in for $750. Izzy shows how to put this together on his YouTube channel, so I'll provide links to his videos in the description. First off, it really works. It's not perfect, but it is completely functional. You'll see some minor problems due to my inexperience with the mill and the chainsaw, and how I corrected them in short order. There are simple alignments or adjustments to screws, bolts, and chains. This video is my very first run with the chainsaw mill, as well as with this chainsaw. As I start the cut, you can see the bar is climbing up the block, indicating the bar is not level front to back. I will adjust that by adding some washers to the mounting plate area that supports the trailing edge of the bar. I also did not get the chain nut secured well enough, which is causing the chain to loosen. I could see the slack in the chain and backed it out to take a look. I blipped the throttle for a moment and the chain fell off. I'll take care of that and adjust the bar angle, then we'll continue. I'll take care of the left to right angle issue a little later, just so I can work one problem at a time. I went with an Echo CS590, which is a nice mid-level 24-inch chainsaw with a 59cc engine. It has enough power to do the job at a reasonable pace, a good price, and has a reputation for reliability. The block of wood I'm cutting came from one of the members of my local woodworking group. It's red oak and about 12 inches by 12 inches by 24 inches, with plenty of chainsaw marks on all sides. I've had it for about 4 years, and I was under the impression it had been sitting for much longer prior to making its way to me. I'm cutting 1.5-inch slabs from it with no specific use. I'm just practicing while looking for areas that need adjusting or tuning. I made a couple adjustments to the bar angle by adding washers to the bar mounting plate and securing the bar to the plate. Let's see how it goes. It looks like we still have some roll and pitch issues. We'll make another round of adjustments after this cut. I appreciate you watching this far. The rest of the video is more adjustments and test cuts, so I'll sign off the voiceover here, and please ask any questions or add a comment below. Take care.